Hello YouTuber friends, welcome to my channel and new tutorial. Do you know how YouTubers make money on YouTube? Do you know what are best ways to make money on YouTube? Around the globe, 5 billion YouTube videos are watched every day. YouTube is as popular as ever with users spending an average of 40 minutes per YouTube session. In line with this digital shift, the next thing you should learn is how to make money on YouTube. All you need is video editing software and a computer and you can get started on YouTube. Making money on YouTube is no longer exclusive to a select few platinum musicians or huge influencers. There are plenty of opportunities for everyday people to make money from YouTube. However, you have to be more strategic in your approach. In this tutorial, I'll go over the different ways you can start making money on YouTube. Let's get started. Use affiliate links on YouTube. Promoting affiliate links can be a massive earning opportunity for channels that offer in-depth tutorials as well as insightful product reviews. For example, if you recommend a product and a user visits your link to buy, you'll start earning commissions. You can place these links in the first few lines of your description and speak about your link in your video content. For example, sell beauty products in your affiliate blog and make video. How to use that, and why use that product. The best step to maximize revenue is to start a blog in unison with your YouTube channel and add affiliate links there too. That way, you're monetizing YouTube and also have a website on a platform that you own yourself. Become a YouTube partner and earn from ads. For many YouTubers, ads are the most essential revenue stream. As a YouTube partner, you make money in different ways. You can make money from ads before your videos, channel memberships, or Google AdSense banner ads. However, there are some ground rules to observe before becoming a certified YouTube partner as well as some prerequisites needed to start. Aside from adhering to YouTube's ad rules, you must amass a minimum of 4,000 video watch hours on your channel in the last 12 months and have 1,000 subscribers. There is no concrete timeline or format to get these foundational 4,000 hours. You can get 100 hours each on 40 videos or any combination to get your total to 4,000. After successfully achieving the 4,000 hour threshold and winning your place as a YouTube partner, you can start earning from ads. Make money on YouTube with funding from your fans. If you've built a following of loyal fans, encouraging them to crowdfund your channel can help you fund your new videos and profit. A platform like Patreon introduces more seamlessness to the process of getting paid for your content. For as little as $1, your fans can make subscriptions to their favorite channels, even going home with some exclusive rewards from their favorite content creators. Tipeee is another service that allows you to enjoy a combo of recurring and one-time donations. For-profit and non-profit channels alike are leveraging this fan funding with their audience to keep their video operations running smoothly. As long as your content is interesting, entertaining, or providing value, you would be amazed at how your viewers open the floodgates of generosity. Master your YouTube SEO. For video creators who have not built a significant following yet, you have to step up your game and maximize YouTube SEO this year. To do that, perform keyword research like you usually would. However, think a little differently based on what people are searching for on YouTube. Next, make sure you are using high-value keywords in your video title, description, and video tags. Once launched, you can check your YouTube traffic source, YouTube search report to get an idea of what people are searching for when they find your hosted videos. There are also 5 key YouTube SEO ranking factors to consider. Number of comments. Subscribes after watching a video. Thumbs up/thumbs down ratio. Video length. Click-through rate on the YouTube search results. Make the most of your YouTube marketing funnel. Optimize your YouTube channel for sales. Choose your niche, become a YouTube partner, and start planning your marketing funnel. YouTube is one way to spread your message, but you can make more money by using YouTube in unison with a blog. That way you're collecting more email addresses and eventually selling products to your fan base. For example, if you write a blog post about an affiliate product you're recommending, repurpose that content, and create a YouTube video embedded in the post. Then send users from YouTube back to your blog and to the affiliate links to both earn commissions and build blog readers. Another great option is to connect your YouTube channel with an e-commerce platform like Shopify and sell merch. Here are some great YouTube merch stores to take inspiration from. Become an Amazon influencer. The Amazon influencer program is becoming more popular. This influencer program allows you to maximize your YouTube, social media in general, presence to make money via Amazon recommendations. After joining the program, you can review and recommend products and direct your viewers to Amazon to purchase via affiliate links. When your viewers click through and make Amazon purchase, you get your cut of the commissions, typically 8 to 10%. However, this program isn't open to everyone. Social media follower count and other metrics dictate approval odds. Explore extra gains from YouTube Red subscribers. YouTube Red allows users to pay $9.99 for ad-free YouTube viewing. Even without ads, content creators can still generate money and make 55% of revenue, based on view time. There are mixed reviews on whether YouTube Red increases or decreases CPM rates. With YouTube Red, your watch time matters, so check your YouTube analytics to view your statistics like watch time and video engagement. Thanks for your watching. Please put like and subscribe. And write down your strategy in comment how you make money in YouTube.